In this video,
We will learn how to turn on or off autofill in Fortnite or Save the World. In order to turn on or off the autofill in Fortnite or Save the World, firstly you will need to select the game mode. In order to do that, scroll down in the game selection tab until you find the Buy Epic section, which are the only games that use a matchmade game and can be utilized in Team Autofill. After that, you will select the game mode that you'd like to play. If you want to play Battle Royale, click Battle Royale, or if you want to play Save the World, you need to click and play Save the World. But keep in mind that in order to play Save the World, you need to purchase it. So after left clicking on it, select it. Now the mode has been selected. So in order to turn on or off autofill, left click on the ranked off or the solo called button in here. From here you will find the selection. In order to turn on or off team fill, you need to play duo, trio or squad. You cannot play on solo because in solo it is only one player per team. So select any of the three. After that, you will need to select the fill or no fill option according to your preference. If you want to fill and have a random teammate in your team, you can select fill. And if you want to play without any teammate and solo in a duo, trio or squad lobby, you need to select no fill. But keep in mind that if you play in no fill, you will have a pretty hard time playing and it will not be enjoyable for everyone. So after your selection is complete, then click on the play button and now wait for the matchmaking. Now as you can see, as I had selected duo, a random teammate is in my team who will play alongside me. So this is how you can easily enable or disable autofill in Fortnite. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.